There's a reason pasta is so popular, really fast and easy to make. Pasta is delightful when made with the right recipe. But if you can't travel to Italy right now to enjoy a real arrabbiata, don't worry. I know a thing or two about how we make pasta here in Italy, and I will show you how to do it the genuine way. This recipe is fully suitable for kidney patients. Hello, how are your kidneys doing? This is Catherine. Welcome to Double O Kidney. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Penne all'arrabbiata means angry pasta, and this is due to the delicious spicy tomato sauce we are preparing today. In Italy, pasta is definitely a way of life, not just a main dish. We eat pasta in literally thousands of different ways. The only thing that never changes is that it should be al dente. Unfortunately, a lot of the pasta recipes you can find on YouTube and on blogs are just too rich in sodium and potassium to be healthy for people suffering from kidney disease. This is why I decided to revisit one of my favorite recipes, penne all'arrabbiata, and to make it 100% safe and healthy for your renal diet. This is a low protein, low potassium and very low sodium dish that you can enjoy whenever you want. This is so tasty that you can make it for your family and your friends too, to make them taste the real Italian pasta. So, what's the catch? We are going to make the tomato sauce from fresh tomatoes. This is going to make a huge difference for the health of our kidneys. Canned tomato sauce and tomato puree are full of sodium and potassium, and that's definitely a danger for kidney patients. My recipe uses only fresh tomatoes, no canned sauce or other packaged ingredients. This is a lot healthier and it will also taste better. Here are the ingredients for 4 servings. 14 ounces or 400 grams of penne. Use protein-free pasta to keep proteins down. 4 tablespoons olive oil. 2 cloves of garlic. 17 ounces or 500 grams of fresh Roma tomatoes. Chili peppers. Parsley. Pecorino Romano to grate. Before we start, the choice of the pasta is really important for all kidney patients. If you are in a stage of chronic kidney disease where you need to lower the amount of protein, choose protein-free pasta. If you are diabetic, you can also use low-carb pasta for this recipe. Let's start! Put the water to boil. While it's getting hot, mince the garlic and the pepper. And put them in a large pan with the olive oil over medium heat. Keep an eye on it because we want to saute garlic just until it starts to brown. When it does, turn off the gas and let the oil and garlic in the pan. The water should be boiling now. As soon as it does, put the tomatoes in the water for a couple of minutes. Drain the tomatoes, keeping the boiling water that we will be using for the pasta, and put them in the pan. It should be cool enough now. We are using Roma tomatoes because they are sweet and meaty. They are going to taste good in the sauce. It is really important to use quality ingredients if you want a good pasta. Usually pasta takes about 10 to 12 minutes to get al dente. So while cooking the sauce, put the pasta in the boiling water. Lightly mash the tomatoes with a wooden fork. You can use a meal masher too, but I like it more this way because you're going to get a better texture. Cover with a lid and turn on the heat up to high for about 30 seconds. Then lower the heat and stir with a wooden spoon. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes and keep stirring. After 5 minutes, carefully take a ladle of boiling water and add it to the sauce so it doesn't get too thick. Follow the direction on the box for the cooking time of the pasta, but drain it a couple of minutes before it's done. Put the pasta in the pan with the sauce. Add some boiling water to get the right density and let it cook this way until the pasta is al dente. Serve the pasta with some parsley and some grated pecorino. Buon appetito! This is all for today. If you like this video, please like and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.